Welcome, sister, come inside, where the real talk never hides. We share the weight you carry and the joy you wear so lightly. Every rise, every fall, we've been through it all. Hear the truth in every line. Come on in, you're right on time. Sister Gems, come on in. Sister Gems, let truth begin. What women carry day by day, the highs, the lows, we lift and pray. Sister Gems, come on in. Subscribe now, join the kin. Share the love, let people see. This is where the soul runs free. Some days shine, some days ache, some nights ask more than you can take. But we speak with open hearts, turning pressure into art. Every scar, every win, we bring the light from within. If you need a place to land, take my hand, take my hand. Sister Gems, come on in. Sister Gems, let truth begin. What women carry day by day, the highs, the lows, we lift and pray. Sister Gems, come on in. Subscribe now, join the kin. Share the love, let people see. This is where the soul runs free. For the girl who feels unseen, for the queen with broken dreams, for the mother, for the bride, for the one still holding pride. You are heard, you are known. You don't have to walk alone. Sister Gems, come on in. Sister Gems, let truth begin. What women carry day by day, the highs, the lows, we lift and pray. Sister Gems, come on in. Subscribe now, join the kin. Share the love, let people see. This is where the soul runs free.